Hello Model 1 and welcome to another video. In this video we will learning all about the elements and compounds. Alright, we will start with molecules. We know the molecules in the previous lesson. We have a different cases. We will start with the first case. If the atom in the molecule consists of similar or actually the same kind of atom. So this substance is an element. In second case, if the atoms are different, this substance is a compound. So we have two kinds of molecules as element and compound. An element is the simplest pure form of the matter that can be decomposed into two substances or more, because it actually composed of one kind of atom. Like the gold, we can't break down the gold into two different elements. So element can exist into two forms, monoatomic like that. This is a monatomic, that the molecule can consist of one atom. Or we can get the diatomic element, that the molecule consists of two similar atoms. So I will give you some examples to look at. If we have a copper, the copper Cu, and aluminum, and we have the carbon. Both of them are monoatomic. And the mercury, this is the case of the solid elements. And the only liquid element that monatomic is mercury. This is the only metal is liquid in the room temperature. And the gas like the helium and argon and neon. And the diatomic like the diatomic molecules that can form two similar atoms together, as the liquid like the bromine, and we have gas like the oxygen, and that can be alone, so it share another atom. So the diatomic, that means that the elements can be in elementary states, so it's always share with another atom. We have bromine, one more time, bromine, diatomic liquid, and we have the hydrogen and oxygen, diatomic gas. So all the solid elements in a state of monatomic, and we have the liquid elements in the monatomic liquid for the mercury, and we have diatomic for bromine. And the gaseous state of the elements, the monatomic like the argon and the neon and helium. And diatomic for the hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and chlorine. And a compound is basically results from the combination of two or more different elements together. Over here, we can mention water molecules. The water molecules, it consists of the three atoms and two different elements, as two hydrogen atoms with one oxygen. Another example for the compound, we have the table salt or the sodium chloride. It consists of the two numbers of atoms and two elements or two different elements, as one sodium with one chlorine. What about the ammonia? As a compound, it consists of four atoms and two different elements, as one nitrogen and three similar hydrogen.